everyone, it's Melissa with another craft activity for you. Today I thought I'd show you how to make your own wizarding wands. This is a really easy activity that only takes a few materials. The first thing that you're going to need is something to make the base of your wand. I have here for me an ordinary disposable chopstick. I just picked this because I had it around my house and it's a good size for me. You can also use something like an unused pencil or a stick from outside if you'd like, something along that size, whatever works for you and that you can find is totally fine. You're going to need some hot glue to help make the base of your wand. If you don't have hot glue handy or you don't want to use hot glue, you can also use modeling clay. It just takes a little longer to dry, so you'd have to wait a little longer in between steps. You're going to need some paint to paint your wand, and you can choose whatever colors you'd like. And obviously a paintbrush. I have here a foam paintbrush, but you can use any paintbrush you have lying around. And then if you want to put anything extra on your wand, so things like beads or fake crystals, that kind of thing that you want to put in the handle of your wand as you make it, you're going to want to have those handy. I have here just a single fake pearl bead that I'm going to be putting on the end of my wand. So other than that, once you've gathered all the materials you're going to be using, you're ready to get started. Alright, so I've gathered all of my materials and I'm using just an old cardboard palette, I guess, to kind of protect my workspace. So I'm ready to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my wand base and create the handle for it. So I'm going to take my hot glue, and there really is no formula for doing this. It's just hot glue it until you feel like it's the way you want it. The messiness doesn't really matter if you want to do that. If you wanted to do like a spiral pattern or something like that, go for it. That's probably what I'll do today. And basically what I'm doing is just covering the handle part of my wand with hot glue to kind of give it some texture and to cover up, because I'm using a chopstick, the square part of the chopstick at the end. Alright, so I decided to cover the handle and then make two little, I guess, ring type bumps on the staff of it. And you'll see that when you go to paint this, that texture will really come out. So the only thing left to do is to attach my pearl bead to the bottom of my wand with my hot glue gun. So I'm just going to take a large dollop of hot glue, put it on the end there, quickly grab my pearl bead, put it right on the end. And with hot glue, you'll want to hold it for a few seconds to make sure it's actually going to stay. And then what I'll probably also do is just do another round of hot glue around the bottom so I know it's going to stay where it should. Alright, so it's all attached, and the next thing to do is just wait for the hot glue to dry, and once it's dry, you're ready to start painting. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. My hot glue has cooled completely and hardened. I unplugged my hot glue gun and moved it aside so I don't burn myself, and now I'm ready to start painting my wand. For today, I'm kind of using my palette, I guess, as also my table cover, so I'm actually just going to put my paint right on my palette, but if you want to use a paper plate or something like that, you're more than welcome to do that with your colors. I'm going to, I think, do a light blue base, and I'll put white accents on it, and you can use whatever colors and patterns you'd like. Okay, so I've painted it my base color of blue, and you can see it's starting to really look like a cohesive wand. I'm just going to take a small brush and do a little bit of accent painting now, and then it's just a matter of waiting for it to dry. Alright, so here is my finished totally dry wand. I'm very happy with how it came out. Mine is obviously very simple. It's just a blue wand with white accents and a white pearl. But you can decorate yours however you'd like. If you wanted to add more paint, or if you wanted anything in the handle like beads or glitter, you can do that. When the hot glue is drying is the best time to stick things in the handle, like if you wanted to do beads or glitter or anything like that. You do it while you're still gluing the handle and the glue's still hot. So just be very careful with that. But like I said, it's a very easy project to do and it has really cool results. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!